Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to use Google Fi internationally. Now, to be able to use Google Fi internationally, you need to ensure that your primary usage is in the United States, okay? As Google Fi is basically designed for US residents primarily and may limit or suspend service for excessive international use, okay? So let me explain what's going on here, right? So Google Fi is mainly for US residents. That's what it was designed for. And while Google Fi does offer international data, it's designed for, occasional use during travel, not for extended international use. Okay? So if you want to go ahead and use this, it's very easy and simple. You can go ahead and enable a data roaming and go ahead and use it. Okay? Go ahead and activate it at least once in the United States, at least one day before you can use it abroad, and then you use it, okay? But if the majority of your usage occurs outside the United States over a consecutive 90-day period, they will suspend your international data. Your account will stay active, but your international data will be suspended. And you can avoid the suspension by returning to the US at least once a week and to receive a warning email and a notification in the Google Fi app 30 days before your suspension. Okay? And if you are a military or State Department employee who served abroad, you just verify your government status and you'll get international exemptions. Okay? It's really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.